Hamza Aisha, first fast, pure joy. Early in the morning, Ami gently woke them up. Get up, children, it's suhoor time. Both of them performed ablution and came to the table. Ami had kept dates, milk, and parathas. Ba said that having suhoor is a sunnah, and one should also pray. After suhoor, everyone offered fajr prayer. During the day, Hamza and Aisha spent most of their time reading the Quran, listening to stories, and resting. They felt a little thirsty. A girl was feeling hungry, but her mother explained, fasting is for patience and Allah's pleasure. As the time for Maghrib approached, both were very excited. Dates, fruits, and sherbet were placed on the table.